Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue while launching the game The Last of Us Part 2. You are getting a crashing issues on the Steam. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, right in the Steam, launch the Steam, go to the library, and in library, right click on your game and choose the option properties, click on installed files and choose the option verify integrate with the game files. After doing this, you need to head over to your BIOS menu, and right in the BIOS, you will find the option of Intel Turbo Boost. So you need to disable the Intel Turbo Boost technology right in the BIOS menu. And thirdly is, if you are using any third-party antivirus, especially the Malwarebytes, make sure you completely disable it or uninstall it from your system and then launch the game. If this failed to work out, in next step, head over to your browser and you need to update your GPU drivers. If you are using AMD, you need to update to driver version 25.3.2. I'll share the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and right over here click on this link to download the drivers for the AMD. If you are using NVIDIA, simply open up the website, type in the details of your GPU and choose the option start search. This will find the drivers, and from here you need to download the game ready drivers by clicking on this download link. After updating your GPU drivers, try to relaunch the game. If this also failed, you need to change the in-game settings. So first of all, go ahead and launch the game, hit the play option, and right over here click on the option options and then choose the display settings. Under the display, you need to change few settings one by one. First one is frame generation method. If you have turned this method on, you need to turn it off. Next is upscale method. Either use FSR or I highly recommend to turn it off. And thirdly is dynamic resolution. If you have turned it on, go ahead and turn it off. After doing these three changes, click on the option apply changes, save them, restart your PC, and this will completely fix out the issue of The Last of Us Part 2 crashing onto the Steam. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.